So after 2 years of owning this motorcycle, finally I decided to do an upgrade on my bike. So I installed the slip-on. This is the one that I installed. Pretty much it came with everything to install. I will take like an hour to do it. Very straightforward. I also power coated my rear sets to kind of match the rest of the motorcycle. All right, this is the way it looks. Obviously the original exhaust is so heavy. I never thought like it would be too heavy. I think they used too much metal to make it, so that's why I decided to replace it. So this one, it came with the mid pipe over there and everything that you need to install it. Probably it took me like almost like an hour to do it. So that's the way it looks. Okay, let me start the bike for you, and that way you can hear it.